Most engines are designed to live well over 200,000 miles, yet most die at 120,000. Why? Because owners ignore tiny monthly habits that quietly decide whether their car ends up at the junkyard or keeps running like new. Imagine buying a car, paying it off, and expecting years of reliable driving, only to have it cough its last breath 80,000 miles too early. That's not bad luck, it's neglect. But here's the part nobody tells you. With less than 10 minutes a month, you can nearly double your engine's life. And today, I'll show you the exact 7 habits that separate cars that crumble early from the ones that push 300,000, even 500,000 miles. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also reveal one overlooked bonus tip, an electrical secret, that keeps modern cars from developing those frustrating phantom problems. This video isn't about expensive upgrades or complex tools. It's about shortcuts to reliability, habits you can perform at home in minutes. 7 quick monthly checks that take less than 10 minutes each. These are the same habits veteran mechanics quietly practice on their own cars, because they know ignoring them shortens an engine's life by years. Think about it. A few small actions today can mean avoiding giant repair bills tomorrow, keeping your car smooth, reliable, and even fun to drive long after most engines would have been scrapped. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do each month to give your engine the long, healthy life it deserves. Habit number 7, check engine oil. Oil is your engine's lifeblood. Neglect it, and the heart of your car fails early. Once a month, pop the hood, pull the dipstick, and actually look. The level should be between the marks, never below. The color should be amber, not black sludge. And the smell? If it's burnt, that's a warning sign. Here's the truth. I've seen engines sail past 300,000 miles simply because the owner never ran them low on oil. On the other hand, I've seen a single careless quart-low drive scar cylinder walls forever. Oil starvation kills quietly but permanently. This habit costs nothing but a minute of your time, and it's the difference between an engine that ages gracefully and one that grinds itself to death years too early. Habit number 6. Inspect coolant reservoir. Engines rarely die from age, they die from heat. And the silent guardian against heat is your coolant. Every month, check the reservoir. The level should sit between low and full. Look at the color. It should be bright, not rusty or murky. Bubbles or sludge mean trouble. I once met a driver who ignored rusty coolant for months. One summer afternoon, his temperature gauge spiked. The engine overheated, and the repair bill was higher than the car's value. A cooked engine is almost always a preventable tragedy. A quick glance at your coolant once a month can mean the difference between driving worry-free and pulling over on the side of the road with steam hissing out of the hood. Habit number 5. Belts and hoses. Tiny parts can trigger massive failures. A single snapped belt can stop your water pump, kill your alternator, and overheat your engine in minutes. That's why every month take a flashlight and check the belts and hoses. Look for cracks, fraying, bulges, or leaks. Press gently. Hoses should feel firm, not mushy. One customer ignored a small crack in his serpentine belt. Weeks later, it shredded, the water pump quit, the engine overheated, and just like that, a $30 belt became a $3,000 repair. Belts and hoses don't fail without warning. They whisper first. The question is, are you listening? Habit number 4. Battery terminals. A dirty battery isn't just ugly, it's dangerous to your car's brain. Corroded or loose terminals can cause weak sparks, bad sensor readings, or even random stalling. But the fix is ridiculously simple. Once a month, peek at your battery. If you see white or green crust, scrub it off with a baking soda and water mix, tighten the clamps, and protect with a dab of grease. That 2-minute ritual ensures your sensors, ignition, and fuel system all get the steady power they need. Clean terminals don't just keep your car starting reliably, they keep your entire electrical system healthy. Habit number 3, air filter. Your engine needs to breathe like you do. A clogged filter suffocates it, causing wasted fuel, sluggish acceleration, and dirty emissions. Once a month, open the airbox and take a look. If it's gray and dusty, tap it out. If it's black or clogged, replace it. A filter costs little but saves hundreds in wasted gas. Many owners ignore it until their car feels slow and thirsty. Don't wait. A clean filter keeps your engine strong, efficient, and ready for the long haul. Habit number 2, tire pressure and alignment. What do tires have to do with engines? More than you think. Underinflated tires force your engine to work harder, burning more fuel and adding strain to the drivetrain. Grab a reliable pressure gauge once a month. Match the PSI on the door sticker, not what's printed on the tire. Alignment matters too. I once saw a driver chew through a set of tires in months because of a small misalignment. The uneven pull didn't just eat rubber, it stressed the steering and suspension, which made the engine fight harder to move the car straight. Correct pressure and alignment give you better mileage, smoother driving, and less strain on every part of your vehicle. Habit number 1, listen for strange noises. Engines rarely fail silently, they cry out first. Once a month, take a quiet drive. No music, no distractions. Just listen. A knock could mean detonation or bearing wear. A ticking sound might be a valve or low oil. Squeals often mean a slipping belt. Grinding could be brakes, and a hiss might be a vacuum leak. I've seen owners ignore faint knocks, thinking it was nothing, only for the engine to fail catastrophically weeks later. Early warning sounds are your car begging for attention. Catch them early, and a $50 fix stays small. Ignore them, and you'll pay thousands. Your ears are one of the most powerful diagnostic tools you have. Don't waste them. Bonus tip: clean electrical grounds. Modern cars live and die by their electronics. When ground wires corrode, your car starts acting haunted. Lights flicker, sensors misfire, fuel pumps cut out. Mechanics spend hours chasing these phantom issues. You can prevent them in 5 minutes. Check the thick black cable from the battery to the chassis and smaller straps to the engine block. If you see corrosion, scrub it clean, tighten the bolts, and apply dielectric grease. This simple step keeps your ECU, sensors, and fuel system healthy. It's a tiny habit that saves you from expensive diagnostic bills and keeps your car running smooth for years. And there you have it. 7 simple monthly habits, plus 1 bonus, that take less than 10 minutes, yet can double your engine's life. Think about what that means. Instead of paying off a car and watching it die early, you'll enjoy years of reliable driving, avoid surprise repair bills, and gain peace of mind every time you turn the key. But we're only scratching the surface, because even with all these habits, one simple mistake during an oil change can silently destroy your engine from the inside. That's exactly what I'll reveal in my next video, and you don't want to miss it. If saving money and driving worry-free sounds good to you, hit subscribe now and join thousands of smart drivers learning the secrets mechanics will never tell you.